Happy New Year to everyone, especially to our dear professor, Dr. Sergio, and my classmates. So, for my book review, I focus on interhuman life in Levinas ethics. What if ethics does not begin with rules, laws, or principle, but with another person standing in front of us? In traditional philosophy, thinkers often begin by asking, what is being? Metaphysics, ontology, or how do we know epistemology or doing philosophy? Levinas turns this 360 or upside down. He argues that ethics is first philosophy. Before we think, we choose, or even define ourselves, we are already responsible for the others. Human dignity for Levinas is not self-contained, it is shaped by your relationship with the other. This ethical relationship begins in what Levinas calls the face-to-face encounter. The face is not just physical appearance or cosmetics. It reveals vulnerability of the other silently saying, I am vulnerable, help me, and respond to me. The face interrupts our self-centeredness or self-creation and calls for responsibility. In short, in a nutshell, for Immanuel Levinas, the true foundation of philosophy is interhuman life. To be human is to be responsible for the other, without limits and without conditions. Ethics begins not in theory, but in simple demanding presence of another human face. As I remember in the song of the Jescom, walang sinuman ang nabubuhay para sa sarili lamang. Walang sinuman ang namamatay para sa sarili lamang. Or the Jesuit calls it, be a man or woman for others. Thank you very much. God bless.